Hey yo, what up, beautiful Tata people? It's your boy Local Connect ZA. We're back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Yeah, namhlanje silapha Circus Triangle Mall. Mtata mkhulu wami. Kunjani mkhulu wami?
Hlembona khona kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. Ndirepresent uLocal Connect ZA ndiyacula. But khona le show siyenzayo kuthiwa Mtata Mchana. So kule show sihambe sibuza abantu basemthatha uba wena ungubani, waphi, wenzani, naxa usebulandini ubuya uphumephi, yabo, just to abantu bafumane iperspective yoba umthatha indawo enjani. So mkhulu wami nje, first question, ungubani wena mkhulu wami?
Bandithathele chance yoba ndibulele ne. Mna ndingu-Art Nkosi ne. Bathi xa ndibendibiza bathi ngu-Art ke. Nakwi-business yami eziba undibona ndikwi-photoshoot. So ndingu-artist photography. Isiduko ke nguNyawuza ngufako lo Hlahlakandelo siqhelekazi uNgqongqoshe ubuya kwesicaba.
Awu
njengoba ke bhuti ke igama ke ngoku wena wathi uphuma engqeleni kwilali yaseNjezweni Limpondo
ndikhulele pha icansi bikhona apha umakhulu wami kulotata apha
esibhedlela hayi ndiyakubona ke hayi ke
eJezweni. Okay mkhulu wami, so ndikuvile uba usebenza ngephotography. Abantu xa bekufuna wena mkhulu wami, let's say phaa kumakhasi onxibelelwano, kuthiwa wena ufumaneka njani bani?
Okay, ndiyafumaneka kuWhatsApp, ndiyafumaneka kuFacebook, ndiyafumaneka kuTikTok.
Yes, under the name?
Masiqale kuWhatsApp. WhatsApp ke which is 076 298 6103.
6103.
Yes.
I hope they will.
Ku Facebook it's artist photography. Yes, wathi ke khona ngu ATIE.
Okay.
S then photography. Ku TikTok it's Prince Ati Baba.
Alright. Mkhulu. Okay, so let's say last question. Ungumntu ongasemthatha. Uzemthatha. But nje ufuna ukonwaba for the weekend. Ndifuna nje just top 3 group spots zasemthatha.
Okay. Ngokokwami ke nangokolwazi lwami okanye ngokonwaba kwami, I will say number 1 is SMJ Butchery. Kuthi bathi ke ibypass. So ngathi number 1, second one it's Highness. The third one ke ngoku kube se So What. So zezona ndawo ke endingathi ke zindawo umuntu engamsuggest uba xa ifike eMthatha afuna ukonwaba just for a weekend, SMJ, Highness and So What.
Right. Mkhulu wami ndiyabulela kakhulu. Mna ke just to tell you, kanti ukuxelela ndingubhukula wakwaMkhwanazi, umhlobo wosisida. Sisuka ngapha eLisikisiki, but ke abazali bakhe apha eMthatha bekhulela lapha eNgangelizwe. Yabo.
Danke bhuti, asibulele.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu mkhulu wami.
Cela ke ni-subscribe
yes. Make sure niyamfollowisha umkhulu artist photography.
Please.
Make sure niyamfollowisha, like, share, comment nimvile uthini.
Thank you.
Can you just say one thing? Mtata Mchana podcast.
Mtata Mchana podcast.
Asifinde
Mtata Mchana podcast.
Akhona sisi wami. Igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. But I go by the name Local Connect ZA. I'm a content creator and a rapper by profession. So khona show esiyenzayo Mtata Mchana. So we go around Mthatha, sibuza nje abantu ba ongubani, wenzani, and what inspires you okanye nje uzokwenzana apha namhlanje, yabo. Just simple questions asifuna ubabathi, but mostly ongubani, yabo. So wena sisi wami xa bekubuza abantu ba ongubani uye uthi
Khanya. Okay, uKhanya.
Sename Nkonzo. Ukhanya ngumabani?
Mamjoli.
Oh, yini madoda. Kuthiwa nemjoli.
Ublash. Ubona zintaka zithi joli.
Yes. That's nice. Okay. Mina ngingubhukula umkhwanazi umhlobo. Singabangaphi eSikisiki, but ke khulele apha eMthatha ndazalelwa apha. But xa ngigothukela apha.
Gothukela walapha?
eSikisiki. Yes. So wena uzalelwe apha kanye?
Ngizalelwe eMount. But ngikhulele apha.
Okay. Kweliphi ikasi yapha?
eChrizane.
Makhambeni. Alright. Bako kuthiwa Ear Street. Yeah.
Ehlawa City.
Okay. Yabona yawazi Mthatha. Okay. Are you on social media okanye ikhona into oyenzayo by profession okanye student?
Andisisi student andiyintoni. Andikho na social media.
Inkonzo?
Konzo kanjani andikho social media. Okay. Igama lami ku-Instagram.
Yeah, like for abantu babafollowishe yabo like we also like yabo sinabantu abaninzi abasibukelayo so it's better. Yeah, that way ba nje manithetha nawe abantu ba also go and follow you yabo so that abafuna ukwazi bakwazi.
Oh, why?
Like just say handle
andinayo social media ndidlalela i-softball ndidlalela i-soccer ayikho enye into endiyenzayo.
Where do you play?
I-cricket?
Yeah, softball.
Ndidlala e-University of Fort Hare. So ne-softball yokin ne-cricket ndidlala e-University of Fort
So actually you go University of Fort. Okay, what are you doing? Are you majoring in that?
I'm doing human movement sciences.
Human movement science. Okay, nice. Nimamele bafundile abantu Mthatha. Okay. Okay, awukagqiba. Oh, uthe ukagqibile na. Wait. One last question. Xa uphuma wena, let's say okanye ungumuntu osuka outside of Mthatha. Xa ufuna nje i-vibe culture lapha, i-groove culture lapha eMthatha. I just need 3 groove spots wena ongasuggest abantu babaye kuzo.
Yo, zaphelelwa guys. Okwasweleka la muntu waseSoweto. Zaphelelwa.
PK, RIP timer.
Hayi zaphela.
But so what? So you mentioned so what?
Okay. Highness. Kubiba
Golden.
No say
SMJ.
A bypass.
SMJ. So it's a so what? Highness and SMJ. All right. I just keep in touch. All right, so yabulela kakhulu. Have a great day, ne? Sharp.
Akushadwa abakati.
Shomfethu? Ugrand Brian? Sharp Brian. Ekse bra. Igama lami ngilunga mfethu. WakwaMatikane. Bhugula lo mkhwanazi umhlophe woSosiety. Sibangapha eLsikisiki but khulele lapha eMthatha. Right now ndiza kuwe khona ishow esenzayo Mthatha Mchana podcast. So basically into esenzayo sihambe sibuza abantu balapha eMthatha about bangobani bona benzani and then the culture yabo like i-vibe culture yabo. So I think umuntu wenza but ke sofika up. Okwangoku umntakwethu cela ubuze ungubani?
Yeah bra uthela noLutho wakwaGonyela uJola lo mphankomo eQengebe utholela umthwakazi. Ngizalwa eCorhana. Yeah, by profession I'm a carpenter. That's what I do. I do building, kitchens, wardrobes and TV stands, every building thing. Like ngathi ndiyimade interior designer
so icarpenter ngesixhosa kubantu basekhaya bangayaziyo
umsebenzi wamaplanga
abantu besebenza eplanga cupboards amakhitchi itile yasebenza mos ngayo mos
not really tile but ke sibe khona kwi-roofing.
Okay Brian abantu abafuna usipana nawe Brian abantu hello Molweni sister akhona kunjani abantu abafuna usipana nawe Brian ufumaneka kanjani for lo msebenzi?
Yeah, bro, you can search Lutho Gonyela on TikTok, Lutho Gonyela on Instagram, on WhatsApp. In number it's 0633259424. My number it's 0633259424. Then go Lutho Gonyela on Instagram, on TikTok. Then Lutho Gonyela still. Then on WhatsApp, that's my number there.
All right. I think bavile mfethu. Okay mfethu, ungumuntu let's say your friend from out of town iza eMthatha, yabo, and ufuna nje just 3 clubs, yabo. Ningathi hayo, these are the best group spots eMthatha. People should check them out.
Sure, Brian. Now go for Golden. Ndiyabacebisa abantu baye kuyapholeka nyani la ndawo uchiliwe udla inyama yakho relax. And also iSoweto
So
and
what?
there's also a club, I think it's new in Tata, like there at Southernwood, Empire. So abantu bakayazi la Empire. It's small place, but it's nice. I've been there. Yeah.
Okay. Say Southernwood Empire.
It's a Southernwood.
Golden
is a Northcrest. Then Highness Ilabe Town.
Highness Mthatha CBD. Alright, mfowethu ngiyabulela man bra. I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. Mfethu, I hope abantu ababukeleyo they book you for your services. I can tell you a young man who is very self-aware ngindafuna uyenza and I'm sure nomsebenzi wakho muhle yabo. So well wishes for you my brother. Yeah man, ngiyabulela ngoba uniphi chance. Kodwa nami kuhle mkhulu wami. Shab mkhulu wami nani ngu-Local Connect ZA kodwa yena ngulunga wakwaMatikane ngingubhukula umkhwanasi umhlophe wosisiki singaba ngabe lisikisiki but apha ndize kuwe nje size ngomthatha mchana podcast same nje sibuze individuals ngomthatha about who they are and your business the following nje just to reach another audience. So wena mkhulu ungubani?
Namntakwethu nginkosinathi Nkokwela ya kwethu ube lo uxhanga mhlambo lalintaka
Awu
lapha eCorhana ya.
So umkhulu wenzani by profession?
By profession I'm a photographer brandile esikolweni khaya uhulumeni udlale yakhe indima naye imisebenzi ifuna imali kwayona kodwa sifuna imali kwathini yabo. Yeah, so we're going to decide to banana abaqalela wemathi 2021 I think yeah 2021 yeah iqala nomjito athi lebe interview naye siqala soyithule we yapha saba sibona imali khona yabo then abafethu baya ngokuza ke ngoku
igap ikhona igapanyana.
Yeah bra kufana nokuhlala nje kwazi ubhekisa oketafini yabo. Yeah
mkhulu wami. So you are a photographer by profession. So ndiyacela bafethu nize kuTankona.
Yeah
Yabo? Nize
khona apha esekhasi kazi ndiyafumaneka
ku socials?
Fumaneka socials WhatsApp the number 064 691 2773.
Yes.
Facebook ndiyafumaneka nathi photography mamakhe ndiyafumaneka na ku TikTok.
Yes.
Nathi zimlo ndikhona.
Alright imvile umkhulu ungumuntu ophuma ngaphandle uzapha eMthatha ufuna igroove culture lapha eMthatha yabo. So I just need 3 or 4 group spots othi ayitsho mama yapha
To have fun or what?
yes to have fun.
Yeah.
To have fun.
Honestly man ngilami uthanda business ne.
Yes.
So wherever I go funeka ndiyazi ba okay benefita yabo. Even if I'm on a groove out but funeka ndione business. For an example bekho event eGloweni. I've been there Glowen Square. Yeah bekho event bakhona Master Dio bani saya pa took pictures kwaNkohla bekho event benkhe ndaya bypass yabo.
Bypass
nawe sisambayo ezobraya.
Hayi man kuzama khoma nami ndayithanda ba uthi wena xa uya endaweni awuyeli nje
Mayeke baba umnandi
cha khona
ngabe mntana mzixwaye kanje camera.
Yeah man. So niyazi ke umfethu uyafumaneka nakwezindawo esizimenshinileyo uyafumaneka make sure nenumber yakhe nibambile
064 691 2773. I'm even available for bookings, michato, imigidi, imingcwabo, everything.
Yeah man ndiyabulela mkhulu wami bele mnandi man mfowethu mojo njani akhona siswami igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane ngingubhukula umkhwanasi umhlophe wosisitha singaba ngapha elisikisiki but kuwe ngoku ndiza with ishow yami ethi Mthatha Mchana. Mthatha Mchana podcast. Basically we go around Mthatha sibuza nje individuals ba wena ngubani kwapi wenzani yabo and what do you do for fun. Just simple questions nje ezinjalo yabo siswami. So swam wena ungubani?
Mina ndingu-Amanda, ifani yami ndinguChiliza, ndinguMarhadebe. Ndingowaselibode but ndihlala apha eMthatha ke full time ndiphangela eWimpy Circus Triangle. For fun ndithanda ukuthini kalelo. For fun ndithanda uzikhupha neetshomi zam. Ndithanda ukudlala i-netball. I'm playing netball. So ndithanda ukudlala i-netball.
Udlalela i-netball P.
Elibode.
Okay.
But ndinqabile ke kuba ndihlala apha eMthatha full time. Then
that one.
Third one. Okay.
Okay. Asiye. Okay. Sister, une friend, let's say une friend from out of town. Is up eMthatha for a weekend. So, ufuna nje just 3 best group spots oqonda by. Chomi singaya apha nalapha.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's Ivory Reserve. It's a Ngeps. There's Highness, yes.
Right. Highness Tracy CBD, eh?
Yeah, you go CBD. Then there's Golden Butcher. It's a North Christian.
Okay.
Yeah, sezona ndaweni thando vibe.
So Machama. So udla mina.
No, ndinguMarhatebe.
Marhatebe. Okay.
Mamthimkhulu, yes.
Okay, sorry. Ngicela ungithuthele nje uMarhatebe. Just maybe nebazi 4 or 5.
Okay. Okhatebe ngomthimkhulu obhungani ondlebenhle zombini omafuza afulele njengelifu lemvula.
Ngibambile. Okay.
Dilibele njani Papa Ron's Cafe?
Okay, Papa Ron's Cafe. Make sure you
Dilibala njani? Hayibo zindawo endihlala kuzo.
Yeah. Ayo ngabaphathi bamabo but ke abandazi lapha.
Okay.
Abandazi lapha. Okay, for abantu nje abafuna ukufollowisha bathi ba support nje cause yakho for ukuba lapha nathi namhlanje. Bakufumana njani?
Ndiyafumaneka on Facebook ndingu-Amanda Mishi Chiliza, then on Instagram ndingu-Amanda Chiliza.
Yes. I hope nisifumene inamba ke asiyibuzi kosi. Ndiyanazi. Okay, siswami. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Have a great day, man. Yo, ngikhala luphiyana man. Kaphinde.
Tata mchana.
Yeah, man. Bala.
Ngimise ngehotha mntakwethu.
Kulo wami right?
Sabanza mntakwethu.
Sharp man. Hayi manje uqala lapha ukuthi ubala le mali. Sure bro. Khoman, igama lami ngilunga amadikani. Ubhugula lo mkhwanazi umhlophe osisithi.
Yo, balance.
Lapha ndizalelwe ngapha ke. Okay, singaba ngapha elusikisiki. Ndizalelwe apha. Ngizalelwe apha eMthatha apha engangelizwe yabo. So ngoku ndiza kuwe ndirepresenta ishow yami kuthiwa Mthatha Mchana podcast. So aba ke sihamba sibuza individuals lapha eMthatha bangubani, wenzani, if nalo business we try and promote yabo. Ne question ngibala. In fact we have 2 questions today. Yeah. Okay, Khoman. First question of the day. Ungubani wena mkhulu wami?
Ngudingani lo.
Yeah.
Ubi fan.
Yebo.
Awutoku lo phala ukhahapho.
Acho. Hawu.
Ngwakho.
Asibambe. Webhuti.
Athi lapha engangelizwe kokuhlala kwami namfethu.
Yes. Isiduko ngitoku. Straight. Gugu. Straight. Okay. Kandigete. Okay, I got you. Okay, mkhulu wami. Goodman. By profession, ndiyabona khona into kuyenza apha. Kha ngikhalela uxelele viewers zethu ba what do you do wena?
Mfethu, ubona le mali bendibala mfethu ndiyahlanganisa. Kahle noma sesitratweni.
Yeah.
Hayi, futhi abantu besizwe kuve kuthiwa futhi usisa.
Masithi uyi-photograph. Ngithanda
uyikhumshe.
Photographer mfethu. Yeah, street photographer. Bakhona abantu nase-England ufike befota apha ogqiba bazipost ezi pictures kuve utrend yabo. So mama sushade. Yeah, uyi-photographer la. Okay Brian. Yabona hayi ndibonile namba we-photographer. Abantu ku social media xa bekufuna bakufuna njani?
Chekisha ku Facebook di-influencer, even na ku TikTok
D-influencer.
So
uthi wakhona ngu-D-influencer.
Like DEE.
Okay, DEE. Then influencer. Okay. Nivile ku. Alright. So mkhulu wami ungumuntu waseMthatha. Okay, let's say ungumuntu wangaphandle eMthatha. UzeMthatha for a weekend. Uthi ufuna uphola nje. Shine nje 3 group spots. Yabo. So wena mkhulu wami xa iphuma lo mntu ngamreferishe la.
Like uyafika yena kaze ndawo ufuna nimgcwalise indawo.
Yeah, nje.
First 3.
Yeah. Kanye ungasifaka zonke ubuya zathi. Akho ngxaki.
Hayi bengifake 3 futhi.
Yeah.
Hayi yokuqala iGolden msakwethi.
Golden Butcher Block.
Butcher futhi.
Yeah.
Then eyesibini Highness.
Highness.
Hey,
Highness yatrena le Highness. Okay. Highness.
Ayesithathu iGlowen futhi.
Glowen. Okay. Glowen. Nivile Glowen Square. Abangayazi iGlowen Square yipi Brian?
Close phela futhi lapha eCokhana.
eCokhana. Okay. Ziyaduma eCokhana. Mthatha uzikhiphisa vibes. Okay boy. Ndiyabulela Brian. Brian sebenze man ndiyathemba uThixo uzokwandisela lapho uthatha khona. Yabo. Ningachafi bafethu man. Yabo. We hope that ngalewe ilena siyenzayo nathi nizawukhula.
Mina nithi uthi umbani wena mfethu
Mthatha Mchana podcast but mina local connect ZA. Yabo but xa ungena nje page ni emthatha Mchana uzabe uzongibona mina.
So if ngiyangena ngokuTikTok ngingabona nawe.
Yeah, masi. So that follow wish. Yeah. For abantu abaqalayo sibukela namhlanje. Please make sure you follow. Yabona umntakwethu on the spot. Yes, follow wish. I like this man. Thixo usebenza emfihlakalweni. Let's go. Mthatha Mchana. Just search Mthatha Mchana. I think with the first podcast enje apha Mthatha. Yeah.
So
nathi siyi street podcast. You know what I mean?
Kakusokudumeza wifi but ndayibona.
Zezaweza khona. Okay mkhulu wami. Ndiyabulela Brian. Ekusephuthi. Tako.